The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA, has flagged 6 critical vulnerabilities. First up, the Windows kernel vulnerability. This flaw could allow attackers to execute malicious code with full system privileges. Next, the remote desktop protocol vulnerability. This one is particularly concerning as it could give attackers unauthorized remote access to your device, putting your personal data at risk. For businesses, the Microsoft Exchange server. Vulnerability is a serious threat. It enables remote code execution on Exchange servers, potentially compromising sensitive business communications and data. Remember Print Nightmare? It's back with the Windows Print Spooler vulnerability. This flaw allows attackers to execute code remotely, posing a significant risk to network security. The Active Directory Certificate Services. Vulnerability could let attackers take over domain controllers. This is a critical issue for maintaining secure network environments. Lastly, the Azure Active Directory Connect vulnerability threatens cloud security by compromising Azure AD Connect. This could have far-reaching implications for cloud-based services. These vulnerabilities are actively exploited. Patch your systems immediately and stay ahead by subscribing for more updates.